my dreams so very thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to dream from day to day, looking for the love that never came your way. Then you smile, and I wish I was with you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look that did all we can for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's not ever high.